Welcome to McKitty Studios, where culture, technology, and vision meet. Discover stories, creativity, and inspiration from across the world.
So what's up guys? I hope you're feeling good, hope you're feeling amazing. Your boy over here, MKD Studios, blessed and humble to be in this position. If you ever watched a cinematic AI advert and thought, this looks expensive, how was this actually made? This video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this M&B Wear advert was created using Higgsfield, one of the most powerful AI video platforms right now. I'll walk you through the creative idea, the workflow, the models used, and why this feels less like an AI tool and more like a real film studio. I'll walk you through the creative idea, the workflow, the models used, and why this feels less like an AI tool and more like a real film studio. Higgsfield is built with one clear goal: to give creators real cinematic control, not random AI clips. AI video generation. So instead of jumping between 5 or 6 tools, Higgsfield brings multiple powerful AI models in one platform, so you can focus on storytelling, not technical chaos. You're going to focus on AI video generation, creator-fast workflow, and cinematic consistency. The models we're going to use today are Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6, One 2.5, and Cinema Studio. So the heart of everything you're seeing in this advert is Cinema Studio. Before touching AI, I always start with one thing: the idea. M&B Wear is not just clothing, it's a lifestyle wear. Gym, beach, yacht, confidence. So the goal was simple: create a strong African woman avatar that represents power, elegance, and modern luxury without overreacting. So the key themes you're focusing on the advert is confidence, lifestyle versatility, and premium minimalism. This is why the advert feels calm and intentional. Luxury doesn't rush. So what makes this advert work? It's not realism alone, it is control. So with Higgsfield, I control the start frame and the end frame, the camera lens, the lighting, and even the micro facial expressions. With Higgsfield, I control the start frame, the end frame, the camera lens, the lighting, and even the micro facial expressions. That's the difference between AI content and cinematic storytelling. So right now we're looking at Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro was used for high quality image generation. What Nano Banana Pro gives us is clean facial detail, logos remain sharp, clothing textures look real. This is critical for fashion and branding. If your logo breaks, your brand credibility breaks. So next you're going to look at is Kling 2.6 audio. Kling 2.6 audio allows video, voice, and ambience to be generated together. On Kling 2.6, we have lip sync, subtle motion, and ambient sound. This is perfect for intros, avatars, and lifestyle adverts. The next model you're going to look at is One 2.5. One 2.5 is more expressive and culture aware. It's great for bold visuals, lifestyle energy, and social media formats. So in this section we're looking at Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is where Higgsfield separates itself from other AI tools. In Cinema Studio, we have the start frame, we have the image to video, we have camera and lens control, we have lighting continuity. This system respects real filmmaking rules: framing, lenses, lighting, and motion. If you can describe a scene clearly, you can create a film quality shot. Here's how I'm going to explain for you my workflow of how the advert was made. Here's a simplified workflow behind the M&B Wear advert. Number 1, you define the concept. Number 2, you create the start frame. You lock the character and outfit. Number 4, you write a motion prompt. Number 5, define the end frame. Number 6, add audio. Number 7, generate and refine. Everything happens inside Higgsfield. No external editing is required unless you want it. If you're a creator, brand owner, or a filmmaker, this is absolutely worth exploring. Check the links in the description, subscribe for more, and tell me what kind of advert you want me to build next. The future of filmmaking isn't coming, it's already here. So kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. Tell me what you think about M&B Wear Advert, about the model, the aesthetics, the look and feel, and about the general direction of the whole advert. Tell me in the comments what company you would want me to make another advert for. I truly do appreciate. Kindly like, subscribe. Thank you very much.
Welcome to McKitty Studios, Kanaya, where culture, technology, and vision meet. Discover stories, creativity, and inspiration from across the world. Welcome to McKitty Studios Z, where culture, technology, and vision meet. Discover stories, creativity, and inspiration from across the world.